Hi, welcome to Secure Hacking. So in the last video we saw how to configure Burp Suite with our OWASP mantra. In this video onwards we'll be seeing all vulnerabilities and see how to hack. Okay, now first of all we will be learning password cracking using brute force attack. As you can already see, I have already opened my DVWA lab and also configured my Burp Suite with my OWASP mantra. So let's on the intercept for now. Click brute force attack. See, we have captured, so security is equal to high. Okay, forward. Okay, here we are, brute force attack. First we'll just go with medium. Once again we'll off the intercept. Go to DVWA security and set it to medium. We'll submit. Okay, now security level set to medium. Now go back to brute force attack on the intercept and go back to brute force attack. Okay, here you can see security level is equal to medium and here is the cookies. Okay, now forward it and here we are into brute force attack. So now we are going to crack the username and password. Now let me enter just something like admin and password as one like something. I'll just log in. Okay, here we are, we captured it. We have the security medium, we have the cookies, and here is our username, admin, and password. I just typed something randomly, so I don't know. Okay, here we are. So now we are going to run a brute force attack to find the crack the password and username. Brute force attack is nothing but we are going to give a list of passwords where we'll use permutations and combinations to try every single output and try to crack the password. So what we are going to do is right click over here somewhere and send to intruder. As soon as we send to intruder, we can see that intruder color has been changed. Wait 1 second, let's do it again. Intruder. Okay, now go to intruder, go to positions. Okay, here it is already selected our username admin, our password, our login, our security, and our cookies. So what we are going to do now is we're just going to crack the password and username. So what I want you guys to remember now is this parameter. Username is a parameter and password is our parameter. These two parameters are really important, but these values are not that much important because we are going to try different values and try to crack the password. We are going to first these values. So what we are going to do now is just clear it out. Let's clear. Okay. Attack type, I'm going to do cluster bomb attack. If you want to learn about all these attacks like sniper attack, pitchfork attack, you can just Google it out and find out. But for brute force attack, I think cluster bomb attack will be fine. Okay, now we'll check. What we are going to do is select only the username, admin, not the equal to. Select only the username and click add. Okay, then select only the password name and click add. Okay, now in positions we have this. Now let's go to payload and here is our payload sets. There are two payload sets. Payload set 1 is for username. Here we can add our payload set 1. I'll just give admin add admin 123. It can be anything. It's according to your guess. I'll give Shan add. Okay, Shansha. Okay, add. Then give administration. Okay. Then I'll click add. I think this will be enough. Now we'll go and set our payload set 2. Payload set 2 is our passwords. I'm going to give password as password. Let us give pass. Let's give pass 1 2 3 and passes. All of these can be a password. We don't know, right? We are going to just try every combinations. Then we'll give free. and no password. I think this is enough. You can also add a list from here, like if you already have a list of passwords and username, you can just load it over here, and you can just load it over here. Now I'm not going to do that. Now what we're going to do is give start attack. This is just something, it's just saying that some features are disabled in community version. That's no problem. Okay, and now our password attack is starting. See here, there are nearly 30 passwords, 30 combinations that we have given. Let's set it out. It's going to try every password, each and every password. Okay, let's see. 1 second. Let's track everything, use everything. Okay. So by the time it tracks, we'll just go view the source code over here. Okay, it already tried everything. Okay, done. Okay, it's finished. Now see here. These were whatever we entered. So these are the combinations and permutations. So I'll just click something. Okay, see, this is a request from us, and we can also see the response from the server. Did you see it? We can go to render. Okay, here it is. Can you see this? DVWA, and here it is, username or password incorrect. What I want you guys to focus upon is this length. As you can see, all these passwords and username have the same length, but if we add any correct guesses, there will be a change in length. We'll just check for if there is any change in length. Everywhere it is 4891. Here it is 4957. Here our length is changing. So we'll just see the request. Okay, and we'll see the response from the DVWA lab. Go to render. Just scroll this down, and here it is. Welcome to the password protected area admin. So this is our password. Whichever is the length is changing, that is our password. To find it out, we'll just close this thing. Just remember it, admin and password. Go to proxy. We have already on. We'll just view the source. We'll just forward it. Okay, username and our password is incorrect. We'll just view the source code over here. We'll forward it. One second, guys. We'll off this intercept. View source. Let us see our source code over here. So here is our source code. I hope you can see it. I'll just zoom in a little bit. Okay, let's see what it is asking. So it's just asking for the password and username, and it is going to check whether it's the password and username is matching or not. So if it is matching, it's going to print welcome to the password protected area. That's what we saw there in the brute force attack render. Otherwise, it's going to display username and our password is incorrect. So yeah, okay. Now we'll just try the password, the combination that we got from our brute force attack. The username was like admin and password. See here, welcome to the password protected area admin. So we found out this website is vulnerable to brute force attack. If some website is vulnerable to brute force attack, we just gave our random passwords, but some of the hackers has already cracked out so many passwords and give it us for free. Like you can generate millions and millions of passwords. You can just combine more than countless passwords and find out the original username and password. So companies like Instagram, Facebook, what they do is, as you can see, like Google, If there are maximum of 5 wrong password attempts, they give us either CAPTCHA or some other survey questions. By that we can just stop this brute force attack. That's it. See you in the next video. Bye.